my YT fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share one DIY handbook, a busy book for all the kids. So I have made this book for my daughter. She's 3.5-year-old. So this book comprises of different activities which increase their motor skill as well as sensory skill. This book actually I made with cardboard and a piece of clothes. So this is handy, this is beautiful and full of activities. Let's start the tour of book. So the first thing which I have in my book is the wash my clothes. So here is a washing machine, here is a dirty clothes bag, here is a clean clothes bag, and here is a wire to dry all the clothes which are already washed. So kids need to collect all the dried clothes and keep them into this bag, which is a clean cloth bag. After this they need to collect the washed clothes and dry them here, and then they need to keep all the dirty clothes in the washing machine. So this is a continuous activity and they will love doing this. Now the second portion of this activity is button my shirt. They need to button this shirt. This activity is tie my shoelace. So you can see here there are 4 shoes I have placed, and the kid need to tie the shoelaces. Now the fourth activity is I kept one hanky over here and they need to fold this. So they can learn folding out of this activity. You can add n number of pages to this book as of your choice, the activities which you want to cater for with your children. So yeah, this is a handy, beautiful book. If you want any tutorial on this book, just let me know in the comment section. If I got a substantial number of comments, I'll definitely make a tutorial video for this book. So see you later. Bye bye.